Now let's check out question number 8. What is the molar mass of ethanol? First, I'm going to write down the chemical formula for ethanol. First, we can actually write out its structure. So since we have eth, that is our parent carbon chain. So this means there are 2 carbons involved. And you'll also notice that ethanol ends in -ol, so we know that one of the carbons will contain a single alcohol group, which is just OH. So now that we know this, I'm going to draw out my OH first. And then, since carbons need 4 bonds attached to it, I'm going to fill out the rest of the bonds with just all the hydrogens. So this is the formula for ethanol, well, the structural formula for ethanol. You'll see that it contains 2 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. So it can be written like that, or you can show that it has an alcohol group, so it's C2H5OH. But nonetheless, when you want to answer a molar mass question, first we are going to figure out all the different atomic masses of the elements that are involved in ethanol. So first, we look at the periodic table and try to find out the molecular weight of carbon. You'll see that it is 12.01 grams per mole. If we were to find the molecular weight of hydrogen, it is 1.01 grams per mole. And lastly, the molecular weight of oxygen is 16 grams per mole. So finally, if we wanted to find the total molar mass of ethanol, so molar mass of C2H5OH, it is going to be the molar mass of carbon times 2 plus the molar mass of hydrogen times 6, since there are 6 hydrogen atoms in ethanol. And then finally, it's just 1 times the molar mass of oxygen, since there's only 1 oxygen atom in ethanol. Now I'm going to sub in the values. And then if we add it all up, we end up with a value of 46.08 grams per mole. So let's see what our junior tutor said. The molar mass of ethanol is 46.08 grams per mole. In calculating the molar mass of a compound molecule, we use the equation below, where N is equal to the number of atoms present in the compound, Mi is equal to the molar mass of individual elements present. So you can see they have the molar mass is equal to the sum of N times M. Yeah, so that's an easy way of putting it as well, if you like to see it as a nice math expression. For ethanol, we have, and then they summed up all the elements that are present, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, how many atoms there are of each. So there's 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. Then they also have the individual molar masses of each of the atoms. So 12.01, 1.01, and 16. Then they calculated molar mass and got the same value as me. This solution is correct.